So if you are following this channel, I am implementing video game scenarios, but today I was trying to procrastinate and to avoid implementing that game. So I decided to, uh, log in into Leetcode or Leetcode, and solve a problem, an easy problem. And once in the session, I justified myself by telling myself it's okay because this guy, John Goodhart, which is a mastermind in programming, recommends to spend some minutes every day, solving a computational problem. So I was feeling good after that, after telling myself that. And also, by the way, I recommend these courses. I haven't finished this one, Introduction to Computational Thinking, and yeah, the problem is about finding a string, the position of a substring within another string. Where is it? Yeah, here. Find the index of the first occurrence in a string. And I didn't wanted to use, the imperative style as I mentioned over here. But this represented a little bit of a challenge to me. That's why I decided to record this video because I am very happy that I was able to pass this problem. Perhaps for you it's very easy. I always, after solving a problem, I always go to the comments to see how people are having fun. And there are some people writing the code with the index of the method in the Java string class, which is great. Sometimes I like to also have fun in that way and solve the problems using the, because, you know, that's cool. That's why all of this code it's already written for you, so you can build upon that. What if you are like trying to exercise, some computational thinking? You might want to implement the inner workings of these methods by yourself. Today I decided to do that because I was avoiding trying to implement CDRLs, which eventually I will do it. And I decided to use recursion because, again, I was saying to myself, I don't want to be like, you know, modifying index, but that's kind of silly because you are modifying indexes anyway because they want the position you need. Uh, but it's kind of a different approach. And I didn't get a time limit exit because some of the problems have time constraints over here, stated over here, and some memory constraints. But at this point, it didn't. It's not being shown at least over here, and so I didn't get no time limit exit for me. So yeah, I'm very happy. So now back to reality. Uh, Stay tuned in this channel because Sidereus will eventually hit the live coding session will arrive. And also, I will continue my journey in the Scala functional programming. We are solving that book. I haven't forgot about that. If you have time in the day, spend some time, as John Goodhart recommends. Even when some people say it is the end of programming, perhaps it is the end of programming, but hopefully it's not the end for your brain, and you need to really exercise. There is this quote by Steve Jobs saying that I didn't hear it. I didn't heard him, but people say that Steve Jobs once said about some quote mentioning computer science, programming, or and bikes. So yeah, maybe it's the end of programming, but you need to keep thinking. You know, what is not? The programming will be transformed. Yeah. What else? Yeah, have fun. It is challenging, but you can do it. Okay. So thank you very much. It was just a little chit chat. No live coding session. I spent. Where is my notebook? I dropped my notebook over there because I was celebrating. But yeah, I have here. I use my notebook, and also I use these drawings. Also, at this point, I use IntelliJ IDEA. I have this breakpoint over here, which because I was debugging, I like IntelliJ IDEA because it's always recommending how to improve your code. In this case, you don't need the second parameter because substring is overloaded. Yeah, thank you very much for seeing this video. This has nothing. It is nothing. It is just me. You know, sharing with you this happiness. And yeah, enjoy programming. Don't stop thinking. Turn off the autopilot if you have it turning on. Turn on. It's hard, very hard to be in the moment. Always in the moment. It's you know kind of hard. Thank you very much, and hopefully you don't get interviews to this appears in job interviews, but I didn't do it because of that, or maybe yes, I don't know. I am looking for a job, by the way. Uh, but I don't like when these problems arrives in the interviews because I enjoy this, but in the interviews it's very stressful. And what else? Take home projects are kind of cool. I better shut up. So yeah, thank you very much, and see you any other day. Bye.